Welcome back. Let's do question 10, 10.11. A and B are independent events. Then probability of A is 1 over 3, probability of B is 3 over 4. Determine the probability of A and B. So you have to remember the product rule. For independent events, probability of A and B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. You have to remember that. If A and B are independent, then the probability of A and B is probability of A times probability of B. That's the product rule. 1 over 3 times 3 over 4, right? Then probability of A and B is equal to 1 over 4. That's the answer there. Get your 2 marks. 10.1.2. What is the probability that at least one event occurs? So what is the meaning of this? At least one event occurs. I think if I explain this using the Venn diagram, it is going to be easier. Right, so it means we can have probability of A only, that will be one event occurring. We can have probability of B only, that will be one event occurring. At least one, it means one or more. So you can also have the probability of A and B. That will be two events occurring. So A and B. So we can represent this using what? A Venn diagram. So we have our sample space, and then we have probability of A, then probability of B. This is A, this is B. Right, probability of A and B, we know that is 1 over 4. So now we were given that probability of A is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. That is the whole A, the whole circle A. Right, so what is the probability of A only? You have to say 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, isn't it? 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, which is 4 over 12 minus 3 over 12, which is 1 over 12. So that's probability of A only. Okay. Then what about the probability of B only? Probability of B is 3 over 4, the whole circle, B, 3 over 4. So now you have to say 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. So probability of B only is 1 over 2, right? And then if we subtract all these three fractions from 1, you will get 1 over 6. Okay, these are not A, not B. What's the probability of at least one event occurring? So it can be A only, it can be A and B, it can be B only. So we just add these three. And then this section, if we check this, that is probability of A or B. That's probability of A or B, right? So we can add these and say 1 over 12 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. You add those, you will get what? You'll get 5 over 6. Right? The other thing you can do is to use the addition rule. Remember, probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 3 probability of A plus probability of B, 3 over 4 minus probability of A and B, we got it here, it's 1 over 4. And then what do you get? You get your 5 over 6.